Welcome to English Fluency Builder. Learn English the simple and effective way. In this video, you will learn common phrasal verbs using the word take. These phrasal verbs are very useful in daily English conversations. Let us begin. Take off. Meaning, remove something from your body or from a place. Example, she took off her shoes. Take care of. Meaning, protect or help someone or something. Example, he takes care of his grandmother. Take out. Meaning, move something from inside to outside. Example, she took out her phone from her bag. Take up. Meaning, begin doing a hobby or activity regularly. Example, he took up painting last year. Take over. Meaning, take control of something or become responsible for it. Example, she took over the company. Take back. Meaning, bring something back to its original place. Example, I took the book back to the library. Take in. Meaning, understand or absorb information. Example, it was difficult to take in the news. Take down. Meaning, write information or remove something from its position. Example, please take down these notes. You have now learned 8 useful phrasal verbs with take. These phrasal verbs are commonly used in spoken English. Practice them in your daily conversations to improve your fluency and confidence. The more you use them, the more natural your English will sound. Follow English Fluency Builder for more simple and practical English lessons. Keep learning and keep improving.